Hello, thank you for taking the time to view the preparation of a mail file in Binary Tree's product CMT for Google Apps. The first step in the preparation is to import your users into the product. So if we select Import Users and we click on Import Users, we have the ability to import everybody from the Domino server name and address book, or just to select a user to import. I'll select a user to import, click OK. It will then notify me that the user has been imported and that the user has been promoted to the next step. The next step in the preparation is to audit the mail file of the user that you imported. We audit the mail file to find out what type of data is in their source data so we can know what message template that we need to send them. So we just simply place a check mark next to the user's name and say audit mail file and personal data for selected users. It will let you know if you'd like to audit. You say yes. It'll notify you that the audit is complete and the user has been promoted to the next step. If we click OK here, the next step, number 3, is to notify your end users for required actions. Our user has been promoted to the Notify End User step. After the audit, we can see what type of information is in this user's mail file. We can see she has 304 contacts included in her mail file, that we have access to her mail file indicated by the green check mark, the mail file size, as well as if she had any encrypted items in her mail file. From here, after this audit, this gives you a great idea of what message template you need to send this end user to perform her next step. We will send her the end user notification to synchronize her contacts into her mail file from her local name and address book. The user has then been sent the notification and is promoted down to the pending responses view. If we look in the end user's mailbox, you can see that the email was delivered, and the end user can then come in here and click on the Migrate My Contacts data. When you configured CMT for Google, you allowed it to be set up as a mail-in database. Therefore, when the end user clicks that button, a notification comes back into this mail database, allowing them to be promoted down to the next step. So the steps in the preparation of a mail file is to import your users, audit the mail file, and notify your end users for any required actions prior to migration. Thank you.